Hey guys, welcome back to Kalki Summon Log. Even though the quarantine restrictions are eased now, you maybe still feel bored and started using some dating app. Tinder is one of the popular dating apps. So in today's video, we're going to see how to use Tinder in 7 simple steps. Let's get into it. Yeah, I know this question looks very odd, but there are many reasons people using Tinder nowadays. So some people just want a friendship with the like-minded people. Some want to hang out. Some people just want to chat with someone anonymously, and some people just want to have very obvious relationships. And some people using Tinder for their social media promotions. If you download the app, you will definitely encounter some profiles with attractive pictures with their bio, not active here, and follow me on Instagram with their Instagram ID. I don't complain about them because, in my point of view, they look like a good marketing persons. So there are many reasons people using Tinder again. That's why you need to ask yourself why you want to use Tinder. So post a nice picture which tells about you instead of some weird selfie, shirtless or less shirt photos, which may look creepy. So you can post a nice photo of you. Try to avoid some group photos because you don't want to confuse a person who go through your profile. So don't post group photos. You can also post some pictures from your hobbies, like if you love trekking, then post a photo of you from your trekking, and if you love long rides, then you can post a photo of you from your drives. And if you're too passionate about your work, you can also post a photo of you from your workplace, but make sure you're not drenched in sweat. This is why you're talking about yourself in words, so be simple, precise and funny. Bio is where you talk about why are you here and your mindset, your interest and the message you want to convey. Make sure you don't give too much detail because after opening lines you maybe get stuck with words. So you can talk about it later in detail to keep up the conversation. Remember I said honest because if you make up something to impress someone, you're not going to cover up it all the time. So when the person comes to know about the truth, it's not going to end up in any good. So try to be honest, and for the bottom line, try to finish with the funny lines. A new feature called verify yourself in Tinder. So you can verify your email and photos by posting 2 of your photos. So once you are verified, you will get a blue tick near your names. People who sees your profile will feel legit about you. So try to do the verify yourself step. So don't swipe right all the profiles because you may miss some interesting profiles to give a super like. And don't believe everything you see in a profile because I have seen some spammers who do chat like an opposite gender for the profit. So don't believe everything and don't swipe right for all the profiles. So only swipe right if you feel to swipe right. So once you got matched, instead of saying hey, hi, what's up, how's this quarantine thing doing, and that's really boring. So talk something else, talk about your interest or talk about your mutual interest. And some people like I really don't know how to start with and what to speak. It's okay because it happens to everyone. So you can talk anything but in a positive manner. The probability of getting a person might be hard, but you may get a person who likes you for being yourself. So try to understand your match and don't try to push anyone for anything like meeting at once you got matched and or to reply immediately like that. So trust me, no one likes pushies. Let it on the flow, and if not happening, just move on. There are lots of profiles to get matched. Hey friends, hope you all feel somewhat informative this video is, and this is not an expert's advice. I'm just sharing this from my own experiences. So consider this as a fellow noob's idea. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to Kalki Summon Log with the bell ding dings.